Welcome back to this channel, where we explore innovative ways to boost your income. Today's video is all about a faceless side hustle that can potentially earn you $10,000 per month, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of passive income. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of this lucrative opportunity and guide you step by step on how to get started. Whether you're a student, a full-time professional, or someone looking to supplement their income, this side hustle has the potential to make a significant impact. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Understanding the faceless side hustle. Welcome to the first segment of our guide on the faceless side hustle, a revolutionary approach to generating income without revealing your identity, exploring the various avenues it encompasses. From affiliate marketing to content creation, we'll unravel the strategies that allow you to participate in lucrative opportunities while maintaining your privacy. Number 2. Navigating affiliate marketing. In our second segment, we're delving into the realm of affiliate marketing, a cornerstone of the faceless side hustle.
In affiliate marketing, the main aim is
Partnering with companies to promote their products or services, all while keeping your identity under wraps.
Select an in-demand, niche-aligned affiliate product with favorable terms. Research market demand, competitive pricing, and affiliate conditions. Opt for products you genuinely believe in.
Start by understanding your target audience, know their pain points and preferences. Craft a compelling brand story that focuses on your journey, mission, and values.
Create visually appealing content, such as graphics and videos, highlighting your product or service without featuring specific individuals. Leverage user-generated content to build trust, and employ social media to share behind-the-scenes glimpses and customer testimonials.
Number 4. Utilizing stock photography and videography. In our fourth segment, we unveil the potential of utilizing stock photography and videography as a key element of the faceless side hustle.
Begin by selecting high-quality and relatable stock images or videos that align with your brand's ethos. Craft a storyline around these visuals, emphasizing the universality of your product or service. Encourage your audience to share their experiences using your chosen stock media. Fostering a sense of community, leverage social media platforms to showcase this UGC, emphasizing the diverse ways people interact with your brand.
Number 5. Building a successful online persona. In our fifth segment, we focus on the art of building a successful online persona while safeguarding your identity in the faceless side hustle.
To effectively market your products involves crafting a consistent and authentic brand image across digital platforms. Begin by identifying your target audience and tailoring your content to resonate with theirs. Establish a cohesive brand identity, including a recognizable logo, color scheme, and tone of voice. Leverage different online channels strategically. Utilizing SEO techniques to boost visibility, authenticity is key. Share your story, values, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. To connect on a personal level, consistency, authenticity, and audience engagement are the pillars that will help you build a successful online persona, fostering trust and driving the success of your online products.
Crafting a strong online presence becomes a key element in attracting your target audience while maintaining the discretion that characterizes this unique earning opportunity. Number 6. Scaling your faceless side hustle. In our final segment, we're diving into the realm of scalability, guiding beginners on how to elevate their faceless side hustle to new heights. Scaling up means more opportunities, increased income potential, and the chance to carve a lasting niche in the evolving landscape of the faceless side hustle.
Scale up your online persona for more revenue by diversifying offerings, collaborating with influencers, optimizing email marketing, using data analytics, investing in advertising, refining the sales funnel, adapting to trends, and prioritizing customer satisfaction for enhanced credibility and growth.
And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to a faceless side hustle that has the potential to earn you $10,000 per month. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to add another stream of income, this opportunity offers flexibility, scalability, and the chance to control your financial destiny. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights. Thank you for joining us on our channel, and best of luck with your faceless side hustle journey.